Happy New Year! Welcome everybody to another episode of Beer of the Week.
Beer of the Week.
Brought to you by Andy and
Garrett.
Very special Happy New Year 2022. Can you believe it?
Oof. Thank God we're in 2022. They have one New Year's resolution. I'm going to drink more beer. It's tough because 2021 was pretty good, so I don't know how I'm going to top it.
Do you think that's healthy?
Who cares, Andy? What are your resolutions for 2022?
You know, I think I just want to be a better person.
Oh, you're serious?
I am. What are we drinking today on this fine Monday, January 3rd, Garrett?
We are drinking a Canadian Golden Ale. So this one is from Henderson Brewing in Toronto in collaboration with everybody's favorite Canadian band, Rush. I'm sure everyone's a big fan of Rush out there. If you're not, maybe have a listen to some of their stuff. Might change your mind. Andy, what's your favorite Rush song?
I wish you didn't ask me that.
So we didn't have any champagne to put in our champagne glasses, but I figure why not put a Canadian Golden Ale, the best thing you can get. Looks like it should be in a champagne glass. It's got a little bit of a haze to it, a nice foamy head. It's the experience of drinking out of one of these glasses is actually way better, don't you think?
Yeah, I just consumed some. It's great.
Delicious. You can't go wrong. Pretty easy drinking. Not super dry, but it's got some good flavor to it. 2022 sets us up well for another wonderful year of events. Way more beers of the week. So, cheers to that.
Did you know, Garrett, the first brewery in Toronto was called Henderson's Brewery?
I did know that.
Is Henderson's Brewery the original brewery, though, Garrett?
It is not.
No, it's not. It's a resurrection of the original one. Anyways, great beer, eh?
Fantastic, yeah. Goes down smooth.
What a great way to ring in the new year.
Ringing in.
Happy New Year, everyone. That's it for another Beer of the Week. Cheers.
Craft beer
is
here.
here.